Right, as some of you may know and some of you may not know, YouTube have demonetised, or will be very soon demonetising, a lot of small content creators who are below the thresholds of about 1,000 subs. I'm not terribly worried about this myself because I'm kind of more interested in leaving a legacy than becoming famous at all. But a lot of my friends that I'm in contact with at the moment are relying to some extent on the small income that they get from producing videos for your pleasure. One of my good friends, Chris the Butcher and Friends, his channel is called Chris the Butcher and Friends, has come up with a brilliant initiative whereby we all name a few of our favourites and list them so that you can click on them and subscribe and give them the love. And another one of my friends is Ray Max Barbecue and Grill, another great producer out there. He's come out with another initiative whereby if you want to be included in this, and if you do respond to these videos, respond in the comments below and put a large X after your comment or somewhere in your comment, and then other people watching this video will then know that you're a producer, know that you're a content creator, and that you're looking for subs to boost your subscription rate. And guys, when you do click on these links, make sure you get in there and see what they're doing, you know, watch their videos. And also, because of the YouTube algorithm, it's very important that you watch, you know, more than just a few seconds of each video, because it doesn't just go on the number of clicks, it goes on the amount of time your videos have been watched for. So bear that in mind, and go to Chris the Butcher and Friends and go to Ray Max Kitchen and Grill, because they're listed, you know, here on this page, and also down in the comments below, in the description below. So make sure you get down there, check out the people I've recommended. There were just way too many. Once I started compiling the list according to Chris the Butcher, I just realised there was more and more and more. So those of you who are content creators who want a little bit more, just put your X down below, and then everyone else watching this video can see that you need some help getting over that big hump.